Greetings to all. This is Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the design thinking approaches on Apple, macOS and iOS in operating systems. Design thinking, Apple's approach to designing the Mac OS and iOS involves several stages that align with the principles of design thinking. Here, how the Apple applies the design thinking stages in the development of its operating system. First one, empathize. Understanding the user needs. This involves conducting the user research, observing user interactions, and collecting the feedback from various sources, including user studies, surveys, and analytics data. Next one, persona development. These personas help the designer empathize with user and design the solutions tailored to their specific needs and context. Second one, define. In define, we have problem definition and user stories and requirements. This involves synthesizing the user research, identifying patterns and themes and prioritize areas for improvement. Next one, user stories and requirements. Clear articulation of user requirements ensure the alignment between the user needs and the product features. Third one, ideate. In ideate, we have brainstorming and concept generations and prototyping. In brainstorming and concept generation, designers, engineers and other stakeholders collaborate to explore the innovative solutions to address the user needs and the pain points. Next one is prototyping. Iterative prototyping allows Apple to refine the design based on user feedback and iterations. Fourth one is prototype. In prototype, we have rapid iterations and the design validations. In rapid iteration, this iterative process enables Apple to identify the usability issues, refine design elements, and iterate on solutions until they meet the user expectations. Next one, design validations. User-centered design principles guide the evaluations of prototypes to ensure that designs are initiative, usable and aligned with their user needs. Fifth one, testing. In testing, we have usability testing and the iterative feedback. Usability testing. Usability test involves observing the users as they interact with the prototypes or the pre-release versions of the operating systems, identifying the usability issues and capturing the user feedback. Then iterative feedback. Apple iterates on designs based on the insights gathered from usability testings, refining interactions, layout and visual elements to improve the overall user experience. Followed by this, we are going to see about that group discussion about this topic.
Good morning. Today we are going to see a brainstorming session about the design and development of the macOS and iOS developed by the Apple. Here we are with my friends Shravan, Swati, TDV, Shanika, Pooja and Varshini. Empathize includes two steps: understanding user requirements and persona development. User requirements is begun by conducting surveys, researches and deep learning of users' requirements. Persona development is the development of a unique character who is the representation of a group of user base. The persona has the individual characters and the general characters of the user base.
Apple was the adventure of creating and encouraging terms to generate a wide range of ideas to improving Mac OS and iOS. Designers, engineers and stakeholders will collaborate and explore innovative solutions to add users' needs and point users. Ideal prototypes. Apple quickly translate valid design concepts to range from lower to higher. Prototype allows different design based on feedbacks.
Problem statement. Apple presents the problem statement that is to be addressed in macOS and iOS. This involves synthesizing user research findings and identifying themes. User stories and requirements. Apple translates user requirements gains feedback through user interviews, usability testing, and internal reviews. This process helps in identifying the usability issues and identifying the design elements. This process helps in updating solution where it requires the user's input. The second step is design validation.